Alright you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying, but no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion, let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign, I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though, I hated the wig when I put it on and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out, so like, if any zombie movies need like a zombie, y'all know who to call. I like do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my god, I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Lucky for you, my life is run by liquid latex. I'm assuming you mean the satisfying part is taking it off, so yeah, let's do it. I gotta tell you though, Mr. Krabs was not feeling this one. I was though. I'm sorry, I gotta be quiet though, my siblings are asleep, and I'm not trying to traumatize them any more than they already are. I'm starting with the nose. Brother, I just wanna go to sleep, get off my face. That felt so bad, yet so good. Little holes. And I gotta serve the nightmare fuel. Now wait, this part is really satisfying too. Aw, so clean. I'ma go wash this off. I am now clean and ready to go to bed. But you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This has taken forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now. Hello, everyone. This is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this. However, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup. I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you. Whoa, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero. Like, this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying. Yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are. Like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off, and that is it.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair is so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys.
Ow, that hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh. The joys of rushing, because I've got plans tonight, and I need to be there now.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the Zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, scary pumpkin edition. Let's take off the cloak. This is a massive contact. Oh, I made these strips out of latex. Oh. Ow. Cute. Let's get the one eyelash. I'm gonna try this Good Molecules cleansing balm. I'm gonna need a lot. I guess we just rub it in. What do I do? Hi. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off. There is black paint so far up my nostrils. Get the neck. It's actually kind of coming off. I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk. But it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.
I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse. Because that's what TikTok wants. They will put me on the For You if I keep doing this right here. So, come on guys, give it a like.